In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an opportunity stage conversion report in Salesforce. This report will give you valuable insights into your sales pipeline by showing you how opportunities convert at different stages. Let's dive in and break down each step to ensure you can follow along effortlessly. First, you'll need to log in to your Salesforce account. Once you're logged in, Home is where we'll start. This is your command center, filled with all the tools you'll need to manage and analyze your sales data. Now, at the top left corner, you'll see the App Launcher icon, which looks like a grid. Give that a click. This will open up a variety of options and apps that you have access to within Salesforce. Next, you're going to navigate over to the Reports section. Click on Reports, and then you'll see an option to create a new report. Select this. It's a straightforward process that guides you through setting up your report step by step. On the next screen, you'll need to choose the type of report you want to create. For this particular task, select Opportunities as your report type. This ensures that you're zeroing in on data specifically related to opportunities, which are key to understanding your sales conversions. Once you've selected the report type, it's time to add some filters. Filters will help refine the data so that it's more relevant to your needs. Start by setting a date range filter. This allows you to focus on a specific time period that's important for your analysis, whether it's the last month, quarter, or custom dates. Additionally, you need to filter by opportunity stages. This ensures that the report only includes opportunities that are in the stages you're interested in examining. With your filters set, the next step is to group the rows in your report by the stage field. Grouping by stage provides a across different stages of your sales process. This visual breakdown makes it easier to see where opportunities are plentiful and where they may be falling off. To add even more value to your report, consider including summary fields. You might choose fields like Amount, which shows the potential revenue, or Count, which displays the number of opportunities. These summaries offer a helpful perspective on the volume and value of opportunities at each stage. Finally, it's time to run the report. This will take all the settings and filters you've applied and generate the final product. Once you've checked that everything looks good and the data makes sense, don't forget to save your report. Give it a clear and descriptive name so that you can easily find it later. And there you have it. You've successfully created an opportunity stage conversion report in Salesforce. This powerful tool will help you gain insight into your sales process, identify bottlenecks, and ultimately drive more conversions. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.